Tags 3 Storybook by Magnolia Ruano. Personal information. Hello, I am Magnolia Ruano. I am 38 years old. I am kind and funny. I like to visit new places. I also like to eat fruit and salad. I don't like to travel by bus. I'm from Bolivar, Cauca, but I live in Popayan. My favorite bus is Chubasco because three are jokes and personal improv tips. Vacation. On May 4 to share one night, I went on a trip to San Andres Island. I traveled with my daughter by plane. It was an wonderful experience. The people were very friendly. The people from the hotel picked us in a limousine. The hotel was very comfortable. We had eggs with sauce and chocolate for breakfast. For lunch, we had chicken soup and we had roasted pork for dinner. We went to the beach. We were also tried typical food like shrimp cocktail. We listened to reggae music. We visit tourist cities like Johnny Key, the Blog Hall, Crybeck, and Morgan's Cove. There was a great variety of fish and the water has different shades of blue. We stayed for 4 days. First, I wake up every day and start cleaning. Then I prepare breakfast. I make chocolate, I cook eggs and French fries. After I serve it on the table to eat. Always have to watch say dinner sometimes my daughter to work and have lunch in a restaurant and other times we do it at home. I usually go shopping to the supermarket. I also do the other activities such as do the laundry and take care of my nephews. I rarely take bus, usually ride a motorcycle. I rarely go for a walk. I never go to the gym. Rarely, they are not my chores that I do. I am always at work. Hobbies. On Wednesdays, I like to watch soap operas like Elif and Tuos Stereo. In the evening, sometimes I watch Yo Me Llamo, Tony Meléndez, I Nike, Music too, and weekends I watch the Twilling Saga and Three Steps Above the Heaven. In the morning, I have fun and watch Green Brothers, Task. I like listening to music from Bookies and Lisandro Mesa. I am quarantine reading The Little Prince and Chubasco. I also work daily and read guide from Santillana. I am always going to work at 7 a.m. and at 7 p.m. I study at the university. My wardrobe. For spring, I wear short blouse, pants, tanks, tops, and sweaters. In the summer, I wear shoes, sandals, or flip-flops, short dress, short to combine with chill blouses, and cool dress, short tops, bags of thread. In the fall, I wear sweaters, jackets, comfortable shorts, and cotton sheet. In the winter, we wear coats, hats, scarves, and gloves. Thank you.